Hello, 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 everyone, and to everyone, a good day. I am going to do an install of this hair that I have. I'm going to insert a picture for you to get a really good look of the hair, the name and everything. But I had bought this hair, I seen it, fell in love with it, so I decided to do an install of this wig. I'm taking baby steps. I'm getting ready to try to upgrade to me to actually doing a install of the lace front wig or whatever, to where I have to glue it down. But with this right here, you know, it's glueless. I don't have to worry about any glue. But I seen it, like I said, and it's blonde. I love wearing blonde hair, and it has a nice bang going in the front. But yeah, and it has combs in it, which, you know, whenever you are dealing with a wig that is glueless, you want to make sure that you have some combs in it, or if you know somebody that can put you some in there, or actually just put them in there yourself. But make sure, because it's really helpful to have the combs. But me, I just still, for extra security, I add a couple of bobby pins on each side and at the back of my head. But yeah, if you can, make sure you can find some that have combs, and the strap at the back for you to make it tighter, looser. That is so very helpful, because if you don't have, if you're not dealing with a wig that don't have the and I love the fact that that actually just blends with my skin. I like that, the lace or whatever. I didn't have to worry about doing the makeup thing. But yeah, make sure that if possible, that you have one that has the strap at the back for you to tighten it, make it tighter, make it looser. Because actually, as you taking the wig on and off, as you keep wearing it, taking it on and off your head, it's gonna loosen up a little bit. So make sure you have, like I said, one that have combs, one that have the strap in the back, the band or whatever. Yeah, the band, strap, or whatever you call it. But yeah, but this is pretty much nothing much to it. It's simple. I'm glad it worked out for me. Just place it like so on your head. Make sure it's secure. But this had fit perfectly on my head to where I didn't have to, like I said, deal with putting because if you dealing with a wig that fits just fine on your head, you don't have to worry about all the extra security. Is gonna stay. But me, I always do the extra security, okay? But I love the bang. I thought I was gonna have to cut some of the bang, but you know, you just have to play around with your wigs, you know. Do your thing, play around with it. Get your glam on. I mean, it doesn't really bother me to have the bang going down a little bit, in my face or over my eyes just a little bit, but not too much. But it worked out. I like it. I mean, I was able to kind of just really just maneuver and just kind of brush the bang. See how I just split it in the middle, and I was able to move it on each side to where it wasn't as bothersome to me. But it turned out good. And the hair, I mean, I got some wig spray, but oh yeah, that's my shades. Drip, 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 drip. I got them drip shades. Oh, bring it back in. But yeah, that is that. Love the install of this wig. Love it, love it, love it. And like I said, I got some wig spray, and you don't spray that much wig spray on the wig because you want to keep that natural look. You want to keep that going. You spray too much, it's going to be frizzy like and all that. But it wasn't much as far as like, you know, with me. Like if I take it off and put it back on, it didn't kink up real bad. It didn't kink up real bad and everything. It pretty much did a good job of not kinking up real bad and being all. But yeah, that is the install. Oh yeah, and I got my bobby pins. Like I said, I got the extra security going on because she pretty much stayed in place though. But put one on each side. That's what I do. And I put about 2 at the back. One on each side and 2 at the back. I would put one in the front. It all depends on what type of wig it is. But this, I didn't worry about putting one in the front. But yep, that's it. That is the install. Holla.